I'm Katie, and this is Rupert, the piano-playing pig.
Hello there, Rupert.
We heard you were outside, we just had to come and say hello. Rupert's lovely. What does Rupert do?
Well, Rupert's going to be doing an obstacle course, but it's going to involve playing a piano.
He's going to be what? Playing a what?
Playing
Piano.
He plays
Keyboard piano,
he
yeah.
plays the piano.
What kind of music does he play? What's he into?
What's he into?
I think he's composing his own stuff.
Right. Rupert, the winner of this show gets to perform for the Queen at the Royal Variety. What do you think about that? I think he's excited. I think what he said there was, I'm looking forward to it and relish the challenge.
Good boy.
Hello.
Hello.
What are your names?
My name's Katie, and this is Rupert.
Rupert. And what is Rupert?
It's an elephant.
He doesn't look like a normal pig, does he? Well, what does he do, Rupert?
He's going to be opening a door, ringing a bell.
Okay, so basically he's a performing pig.
What do you fancy? Bacon sandwiches?
All right, let's do it.
Prime Minister Rupert arrives home after a long day's work. And he draws his curtains, pull.
Yeah, he throws the curtains!
He then decides he better go and prepare his paperwork. Good boy. He then heads into the drawing room. Rupert, come on then. Come.
Oh, he doesn't like the buzzers, don't buzz.
You scared him.
You frightened the pig.
We're getting closer to the piano.
Come on,
Come on, Rupert.
come on then. Play your piano. Play your piano.
It's not really a song, is it?
I don't recognise that song.
All right.
The end.
Well done, Rupert.
Rupert, don't get too worried about Simon not liking your act. He likes to be the most talented pig in the room. So, yeah. I thought it was really good fun. I think my kids would love it. I thought it was great, actually.
Thank you.
Amanda.
I'm coming to see him.
Hello, Rupert.
His hair feels a little bit like yours, Simon. I think if there was a Crufts for pig, he'd win it.
He's not playing the piano though, if you know what I mean. He's just walking on it, and it's. It's a pig. No, I know he's a pig, and.
Simon, he's not Stevie Wonder, you know. He's a little pig. All right?
I know. I was expecting maybe at least chopsticks or something, but.
Okay, well let's have a vote. Simon.
Prior to piano lessons, no.
Amanda.
Yes.
Katie. Rupert. You're through to the next round.
All right, hey guys.
Okay, hello.
All right.
And who are you?
I'm Les Kimes, my wife Nina, and these are our pigs and hogs and our family. Yeah. We live in Mayaca City, Florida. Florida. Woo! All right.
There's one getting loose.
That's right. Red.
What is that? Oh, no.
Take a seat.
Look,
That's
oh,
a
little
seat.
itch.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Folks, the pork chop review. Come on, Lou.
Look how he's wagging his tail. Look at him wagging his little tail. Hey, the mama,
oh, no,
here
the
it
mother.
comes.
Here comes the mother.
Wow.
What's that?
I don't know.
Chicken? Is it chicken? It is a chicken.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, what are your names?
Seihi. I'm Shannon.
And who are you here with today?
Jokgu.
Tofu?
Jokgu. Jokgu.
What is Jokgu going to do?
Melf got it. She's going to play the keyboard and she'll play America the Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Yes,
She plays the piano.
She does.
Yes.
She's going to play that keyboard
No
right there.
way.
But
No, she's
yes, she
not.
picked it up very quickly. She's very intelligent.
Amazing. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
I can't wait to see that.
Do it. Good luck, baby. Do your thing.
Wait a minute. No way. No! That is crazy. I do. I mean, I've never seen that before.
In order for Curry to read your minds, she likes to come closer. Hi.
Hi.
Curry is feeling a strong connection to each one of you. Howie.
Yes.
She likes you to hold out your hands. Yes. Whatever happens, don't move.
Whatever happens, don't move.
Oh! It's yours.
Get in!
Now, Carrie really wants each one of you to think about something you're scared about. Write it down and then pass all the papers to Simon. And Carrie, don't look. Please give them to Simon and he will mix them up.
Right.
You got it?
I've got it.
Thank you. Simon,
Yes.
think about your fear and then look. Wow, Simon.
Yes.
Think less about your fear, a bit less.
Okay, I'm not thinking.
I think the chicken's scared of Simon.
Curry can feel the fear.
Simon, please.
Yes.
Think about your fear, not too strongly, and then look into her eyes.
Okay.
Thank you. Carrie, she cannot talk, so she will show us. If Simon, you thought about dark oceans, a fear for flying, a fear for drowning, or a fear for giant spiders. Carrie, what is Simon thinking about? She's pointing to giant spiders. Was this your fear, Simon?
Yes.
Thank you.
Really was.
Curry got it right.
Now, Sophia, can you please channel all the energy of your fear towards your hands and then pet her gently. Carrie likes you to make it even harder. You can turn over the papers and mix them up as much as you like. She picked on one paper. What was your fear?
Dark oceans.
Dark oceans. Dark Oceans.
Oh my goodness gracious! The chicken is smarter than me.
What? Carrie does not need to read any more minds because Howie.
Why?
She's been thinking about you all day long. She knew which fear you would pick before you even thought about it. Howie, can you please open up her egg?
Open an egg? There's a word in here. Hang on.
Oh.
There is.
What's it say?
It says drowning.
Was this your fear?
This was my fear. Check my card.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's amazing.
How did he do it?
That was amazing.
This chicken needs to be famous. I loved how the chicken knew everything except mine, but I loved it.
She has something special for you
She
in the
does?
next rounds. Yes.
Sophia.
I love the chicken.
I love the chicken too.
Simon.
Well, I like you, and I think what you did was very original. I mean, that was magic. Impossible to do what you just did without having magic powers. Seriously. So
I agree with what everybody's saying, and I think young and old alike will like this. So let's vote. I'll give you your first yes.
I say yes to the chicken and you.
3 yeses.
make that 4 yeses.
This is Bini the bunny. We moved to LA about 5 years ago from Israel, and we want to make people understand that rabbits are amazing and they are intelligent and they deserve more respect. People don't understand
They don't
rabbits.
respect rabbits.
No.
We have had Animal Acts win America's Got Talent. Do you think Bini could win an AGT this year?
I know that Bini is going to win AGT.
Fantastic.
So you put 5 years of work into what we're going to see tonight.
Yes.
5 years, 1 rabbit. Amaze us.
I've got a good feeling.
Hello, everyone! This is Bini, my supernatural rabbit. We can speak with Bini. Bini, can you turn around? Can you turn around, please? Show everyone how you turn around. Very nice, very nice. Now, Bini has been training for this moment for a long time. So come over here. Let's go bowling. Let's see, let's see. Oh my God, it was almost a strike. Amazing.
It was amazing.
But you know, anyone can bowl, even a rabbit. So Bini, let's show everyone here your best basketball slam dunk.
You're gonna dunk the ball?
Here you go. Just a second. We will get back to this.
Back to that.
So, Bini is not only an athlete. Bini knows how to play some musical instruments. For example, the guitar. Very nice, very nice. And if guitar wasn't enough, what do you think about the piano? We'll get back to that.
All right, get back to that.
Bini wants to be a judge on this show. Bini can take notes like Simon does.
No, take the note.
Just a second.
Yeah, give him a second.
Give him a
The
minute.
rabbit hasn't done anything.
We'll get back to that.
Yes.
Don't rush the bunny.
But now let's go back to the basketball. That was Bini the bunny, and he was amazing.
Good evening. Who are you? What's your name?
I'm Bronwyn Irwin.
I'm Jason Irwin.
Don't tell me what you're gonna do, because I see there's a setup behind you, and I love surprises.
Good luck. Thanks, guys. Strippers, dancers,
I don't know.
wrestling. I think
Does
wrestling.
this look like your world?
It's similar to mine because of the ring, but no, we have more rope. Maybe they're gonna hang clothes.
Laundry? We're about to see laundry.
My mom would be so impressed if it was laundry.
You know how we do it, baby? Yeah, keep it so fresh. Straight up. Fell out the saddle a few times, had to get back on. Got up on my grind. Yeah, got my bottle of moonshine. Haters to keep hating, we paying them no mind. Every time you knock down, get up. Every time you knock down, get up. Back on the horse, this Texas sky gon' do it up tough and make me move. Saddle up, saddle up. Back on the horse, this Texas sky gon' do it up tough and make me move. Saddle up.
Have you got the giggles?
Dolphin. Turkey. Horse.
That's great.
Dog. This is for you, Simon. Dog. My duck.
Brilliant.
Now, my rooster.